Hi, Kristen. This is Ashley Thomas. I wanted to say that I really enjoyed your post today and your input for today's class. Currently, as a teacher, I spoke a little bit about e-learning and virtual learning, but you actually made me think of a different perspective, a different way. We are currently learning our degree currently right now are learning everything online. So I was basically stating in my video that I really enjoy the traditional learning for my students. But as for myself, I believe the learning online, e-learning is better for myself. I'm able to log on at any time, do my work, and I actually can focus a little more by reading the book on my own and grasping items and details like that. So technology is changing. Technology is certainly a big piece of workforce development, and it is drastically changing every day, and just don't know where it's going to be in the future. It changes so much that it's kind of like you don't know where we're going to be in 2 years, 3 years, or even 10. So I love your input for today, and I hope you have a great day.